Sustainable Fashion, IBPS Po 2024, 250 to 300 words. Sustainable fashion is a term to describe the efforts to reduce the impact of the fashion industry on the environment. Sustainable fashion is important because it addresses the environmental and ethical issues associated with the traditional fashion industry. The fastest production of clothing in the fashion industry is one main reason for pollution, wastage, and depletion. The aim of sustainable fashion is to reduce its negative impact on the environment and minimize pollution and wastage. So, it is an important topic of concern for the environment and ethical considerations at a global level. One of the primary pillars of sustainable fashion is its commitment to reduce the negative impact on the environment. For instance, it promotes the use of eco-friendly materials such as organic cotton, hemp, and tencel, which contain lower amounts of chemicals. Furthermore, sustainability encourages the use of recycled materials, which assists not only in reducing wastage but also in decreasing the demand for environmentally unfriendly resources. Beyond the environmental considerations, sustainable fashion is also strongly emphasized on social responsibility. This aspect focuses on the ethical treatment of workers throughout the supply chain. Many traditional fashion brands have been criticized for exploiting labor, particularly in developing countries where workers are subjected to poor conditions, low wages, and a lack of rights. It also considered stopping the child labor and preventing children from working forcefully. Sustainable fashion is also emphasizing economic viability, meaning that it should be environmentally and socially sustainable as well as economically feasible for all consumers. The rise of awareness towards sustainable fashion has led to consumers demanding transparency and ethical practices within the fashion industry. In conclusion, sustainable fashion represents a holistic approach to the fashion industry that integrates environmental sustainability, social responsibility, and economic viability. By embracing sustainable practices, the fashion industry can mitigate the negative impact globally. Thank you.